Hi, I'm Reem Tafish and today I will walk you through Cortex Sign, how it works and the different sections inside the platform. Cortex Sign isn't just about signing documents, it's about managing the whole document approval process end to end and with clear record of every signature. Let's get started. We start by logging in. You directly land on dashboard. There are two main sections to focus on. Need your signature, the number shown here tells you how many documents from your organization are waiting for you to sign. Out for signature, this shows how many documents you've already sent that are still waiting to be signed. If you click on either of these sections, you'll be taken to a detailed view where you can see all documents that require your signature and all documents you've sent that haven't been signed yet. If you need to sign a document, click on Sign Yourself. And if you choose Request Signatures, this option lets you add other people and also you can add yourself to sign the document. I'll show you a demo in a bit. And for this part, you can see your most recent signature requests and the latest documents you sent for signing. And finally, here you can check your saved drafts. Next, we go to Sign Yourself. Here you can check the supported files, then choose your document, click Next. Once your document opens, you can add any box you need. I'll add signature for now, and sign it. You can sign it by choosing three ways: draw, upload an image, or type, whichever you prefer. After that, save. Then you can place it anywhere on the page and finish. If you want to send the document right away, simply enter the recipient's email and then you're done. If you click on download, you can see two options: download the signed document only, or you can download it with certificate. This is the document signed, and here you can see the certificate including all signing details like date, time, signer, and IP address. Now let's move to request signature. You also start by choosing your document, and then you need to select the signers. Let's assume there is no contact here. I will go to contact book and remove them to show you that when you click on the plus icon, you can add any signer by entering their name and email. I will start by adding myself first, and then I will also add my Hotmail as a second signer. Then click Submit. You will also notice an advanced option section. Here you can choose whether the document is sent in order. Person 1 signs first and then person 2. In this case would be AI Brain and then Hotmail, or at once, like for all signers. I will keep it in order in this example. And you can also set a signing deadline before the document expires. And after that, click Next. Once the document opens, you will see that each signer is assigned a different color. I will add a signature field for each signer and then click Next. Once we selected the in order option, the document is sent to the first signer first. So let's go check the email. And also we should be aware of the time. Click sign the document and finish. At this stage the document can be downloaded, but the certificate is only available once all parties have signed. And now let's go ahead and check the second email, my Hotmail, and we will notice a time difference, about 1 minute, showing that the document was sent only after the first signer completed their part. And once the second signer finishes, you can download the signed document with certificate. You will also receive an email confirmation that all parties have signed, and access both the final document and the certificate anytime. I will add a quick demo here to show you how in-process section works. From here you can check whether a document has been viewed or not. So quickly, I will go again through the same steps we did. And once someone clicks sign here, and we go back to in process, we will see the status change to viewed. After the document is signed, it will move to the completed section. All completed documents are also stored in the Cortex Sign drive, where you can access all your signed files anytime. You will also find draft for documents you haven't sent yet, declined if a signer chooses not to sign, and expired if the document isn't signed within the specific time. Next, we move to templates. Click Create Template to upload documents you use frequently. And in Advanced Options, you define how this template will be sent later, such as whether it's sent in order or signing deadline. Once created, you can access it and reuse your template anytime from Manage Templates. And finally, let's go to Settings. In Settings, you can find Add Your Signature. Sign once and save it to reuse it instantly, like I will show you now. And then you can also manage users in your organization. Start by creating teams like HR or editor. And then assign users to those teams when you add them. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year for everyone.